In this video, I'll show you some fixes for when Roblox keeps crashing. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. So the first fix I recommend doing is try restarting your computer. If this issue has recently started occurring, then all you want to do is go and restart your computer. So go and press on the Windows button or the Mac button, and come to the bottom right and go and tap on this power button, and then you can go and tap on restart, and your computer will restart and turn back on, and then try running Roblox again. If that still doesn't work, then what I recommend doing is clicking on the Roblox launcher just like so, or going and searching for it, and then you need to go and right click on it just like so, and then you're going to go and get a list of options which looks something like this, and you need to go and tap on run as administrator. You then go and get a Windows security pop-up, and you need to go and click yes. Then it will launch. I didn't launch it there as I'm just guiding you through this, but yeah, try running it as an administrator. Is definitely worth trying. The next thing I recommend doing is try reinstalling Roblox. So to go and do that, all you need to do is open up your computer settings. So go and tap on the start menu and go and tap on settings. If you can't see it here, then just go and search for the settings app and go and open it up. Then all you want to do is come to this left hand side menu here and go and tap on apps, and then go and tap on apps and features. Now we need to go and click on search apps, so we can go and search for Roblox. So let's go and search Roblox just like so, and it's going to list all the results. And what you want to do is find this one here, Roblox player, and go and tap on these three dots here, then press uninstall, and we need to press uninstall again. You'll get a Windows security pop-up, and then it's going to go and uninstall Roblox, and then we'll go and reinstall it. It's really easy. I'll show you how. As you can see, it's now been uninstalled. So then to go and reinstall Roblox, all you need to do is go and launch a game. So in this example, I'm just going to go and launch Please Donate. So go and tap on a game and go and press play, and it's going to go and say Roblox is now loading, and it's not going to find anything. So just give it a moment and it's going to detect we need to go and download and install Roblox again. As you can see, it's now downloading. Then I'll go and launch it, and it shouldn't take a moment. And then it's going to be installing Roblox, as you can see. Then it'll be configuring it, and then it'll go and say Roblox is successfully installed, and we can go and press OK. And there we go, Roblox is now installed again. So press join, and Roblox is going to launch just like normal. As you can see, it's now starting, and hopefully that will go and fix your problem. As you can see, Roblox is now starting as normal, but I'm just going to go and quit off it as I want to show you some more fixes. So if that still didn't work for you, then what I recommend doing is coming and clicking on the Roblox player. Once again, it may have moved location because you reinstalled it. Right click on it once again, and what you need to do is you'll get this list of options. Go and tap on properties just like so, and then you're going to go and get the Roblox player properties, and you need to go and tap on compatibility just like so, and then tap on run compatibility troubleshooter just like this. And what this is going to go and do is detect any problems which still may be reoccurring even after reinstalling it, and then you can go and test the program, and then you can go and press next, and then you can go and follow this through and see if there are any more solutions. And that's it, guys. That is how you can go and fix Roblox and stop it from crashing. If you found this useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.